Hi everybody. I am so excited to be part of this air fryer collab. I cannot wait to see all the videos that these ladies have in store for us today. So I want to thank Danielle Nicole for inviting me to be part of this. You're going to see some great stuff today. I hope you will follow the links that I'm going to list below to see what everybody else is making. I'm making seasoned fries in my air fryer. Now, when I recorded my video on this, for some reason my camera did not record, or I forgot to press record maybe, to show you the air fryer that I'm using. So I use the air fryer lid for my Instant Pot. If you haven't seen one of these gadgets yet, it's like my new favorite thing. So you can see there's an air fry setting on here. There's other things you can do. So far I've only used this air fryer setting. And I did mine for about 25 minutes, my seasoned fries. So, and thing's huge. I mean, it's big. It sits right on top of the air fryer. It doesn't lock on top of on top of the Instant Pot. It doesn't lock, but it still beeps. Like if you have an Instant Pot, you know, when you lock the lid, it goes beep. This thing does the same thing. And it stops, or it beeps halfway through the cooking process. So whatever time you put on there, when it gets to the halfway mark, it'll stop, and then it gives you like 3 minutes to turn your food, or maybe switch the baskets up and down. But that's the contraption that I use. It just made sense to me. I already had the Instant Pot, and so I got rid of my separate air fryer. I gave that to my son a couple days ago, just so I don't have all these gadgets taking up space. So anyway, let me show you what I have done in my Instant Pot air fryer. Okay, so the first step is I just sliced up some potato wedges. This is how I like my fries. And I leave the skin on mine. Some people like to peel theirs, but I like the skin left on mine. And then I just put in cold water, and I've let this set now about a half an hour. And I've got these out. I'm going to pat these dry, and then I'm going to mix them up in some seasoning. So I'll be right back when I get to that step. So I just mixed up some seasoning, and what I'm using today is I'm just using some Lowry's seasoned salt. I don't measure this, I just kind of eyeball it. And then I'm also putting some chili powder in there because I like some heat. Mixed it all up, and now I'm going to throw these potatoes into this bag and just do a shake, shake, shake. To make these, I'm using my Instant Pot and my air fryer lid for the Instant Pot. So this comes with a basket. It's got room down there. I'm not going to use the bottom part for this video. Sometimes I'll just throw the extras down in there. I'm going to spray this though. I'm just using Pam to spray this. And then I'm going to start laying my potatoes in here, and then we'll get going. I forgot to tell you that before I start the air fryer, I use the Pam and I spray the tops of those fries so they get nice and crispy in the air fryer. So that's an important step when you're making these seasoned fries. Okay, we're halfway through, and we're just going to see how these are crisping up. Oh, they're starting to crisp up nice, yeah. You can hear them kind of crisping up on the outside here. I'm just going to move them around a little bit, and then we're going to put this back on for the remaining 10 minutes. There's no fat added to these potatoes at all. Alright, let's get this back on, and this should pick up right where it was. Yep, see, it picks up. If it's off the pot for less than 3 minutes, it'll pick right back up. Alright, I'll be back when this is done. Okay, I just checked these. I want these a little bit crispier than this, so I'm going to put these on for 5 more minutes, and then I'll come back to them. So here they are after I put them in for another 5 minutes or so. Much crispier. Oh, these smell so good. They're soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Alright, I'm going to get these out and cool them, weigh them so I know how to track them. and get the remaining ones in. And these are going to on my dinner plate tonight. So that's seasoned air fryer French fries. You don't have to season them, but they are so good. Thanks so much for watching this. I hope that this encourages you to use your air fryer a little bit more and make healthy food in there. Those fries weighed out for me by the time I got the entire potato done at 3 points. I weighed them after I cooked them and I tracked them as cooked potatoes. The seasonings had no points to them. So I had that potato, like I said, 3 points on the blue plan. And they were delicious. So be sure to watch the other videos that are included in the collab. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Thanks again, Danielle Nicole, for inviting me. And her channel is called Danielle Nicole on YouTube. Thank you. Thanks for hosting.